Alright, Jaceland Adventures here. Another day working on the pond. I want to show one thing here. If you happen to have to work on a pond, a good tall tale sign of why it leaks is if you find this particular looking clay. I'm going to get close up so you can see it. You can see the difference of the better clay here than this gray looking stuff. Now, this gray looking stuff, you think it's a clay, but that water runs right through that stuff. You get that out and you get over here to this red looking clay, also known as chert. This stuff right here. That's the clay you want in that hole. So my gig is putting in a core trench that goes from this side of the dam all the way through to that side. It's just a trench. And I filled this already in the other videos. Probably saw it in the other videos. I had already filled these in with my red chert all the way over to that where it first drops down just a little bit right there. I've got to dig this little path right here in the center. That gray looking clay. Pull it out, put the red in, and then redo the whole pond. You know, reshape it. And I believe on this side the angle of the slope is 2 to 1, and on the back side it's 3 to 1. If you get those dimensions, you should have a good good dam that'll hold it. So that's where I'm at, and I have to continue. Okay, here's a little video I was talking about that gray dirt. You can see the water coming through. I'm going to get down closer. All right, if you look closely, you can see that water flowing. Let's see if I can disrupt it. You can see. Do it again. See it now? That is the leaky part of your pond. The gray clay, excuse me, the gray clay. It's clay, but that water runs right through it.